And just like that, it's Christmas again. The Orthodox Tewahedo Church uses the Ge'ez calendar, and that is why many of us celebrate Christmas today, January 7th. But today is also the day many break their fast, or tzom. Who observes the fasting period leading to Christmas can only eat a vegan diet, and the most devoted ones can only eat after 2 or 3 p.m. They don't even drink water before then. Fasting people have to stay away from earthly habits and focus on spirituality and introspection. But why do people fast? The concept behind religious fasting is that you can give up food right now because you believe in the promise of the afterlife. So you don't have to have it all here and now, but you believe in the promise that you can have it all in the eternal life. But fasting doesn't only get you closer to God, it also has many health benefits. More focus and more clarity of mind. Improved health. Weight loss. Intermittent fasting is not a new trend at all. It's actually very old school. So when you decide to fast for the right reason, you're also required to stay away from all the bad behavior like lying, arguing, cheating, talking behind people's back, gossiping. Rahuslit this to all of you celebrating.
Culture is cool.